Hello, good morning beta. How are you all? I hope you are utilizing your time in doing your assignments well. I received many responses of the students and they are really doing very good. So keep it up beta. And today I have taken a very small and easy topic, article. Topic is articles. We all know that in English we have three articles, a, an or the. Firstly, we should know what is the role of article in English language. So articles are the words used before noun and modifies noun. Here I have taken two examples to clear it. Do you have a pen? In first sentence, I have used article a before pen. Pen is a noun. Here I am asking about any pen. I am asking about any pen, not a particular pen. But in second sentence, do you have the pen that I gave you? I used article the before the same noun pen. Okay, but here I am talking about a particular pen that I gave you, not any pen. Okay, so like this way, articles modifies a noun. Now, we will talk about two types of articles. Definite article, the, indefinite articles, a or an. Okay, in definite article we talk about particular things and specific things, unique things, but in indefinite article we talk about things in general. So, first of all we will talk about indefinite articles, where we should use a, where we should use an. Okay, we all know that in English we have 26 letters, 26 alphabets, and out of these 26 alphabets we have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And out of these 26 letters we have 5 vowels and 21 rest of the letters are consonants. So 21 consonants in English we have. Okay. First of all, we will talk about indefinite articles. Indefinite articles a and an. Okay, so we use an before vowel sounds and a before consonant sounds. Here I am talking about sounds, not letters. So these 5 vowels are giving sounds a, e, I, o, u, not u. Okay, so I have taken some words also. And I have used articles before them. Here a list of words which are giving vowel sound. So first word is an apple, an elephant. So these words are giving vowel sound. Okay, next ice cream, I is also vowel sound. Orange, umbrella, extra. Okay, they are giving vowel sound, so I used an before them. The next word, honorable man. Here, H is silent and this word starts from consonant but the sound is coming vowel sound, so I use an. This is honorable man, not honorable. Okay, so here I have used an. Same word, R. Here H is silent and the sound is coming A is a vowel sound and I have used an. Idea, I is also a vowel sound. Ambiguous, ugly, onion, they are vowel sound and I have used an before them. Next list of consonant sounds. A girl. G is a consonant sound. K, cell phone, is also a consonant sound. Here this word starts from vowel but the sound is coming consonant sound. European tour. Okay, so this is U. U is a consonant sound, not vowel sound. So I have used an a. University. Again U sound is coming. One-eyed man. Here the word starts from vowel, but the sound is coming V, not O. V sound is coming, so V is a consonant sound. So I have used a. Ball, chalkboard, man, nun, Tom, school. So they are giving these words are giving consonant sounds and I have used a before them. Okay. So I hope indefinite articles are clear to you, and if you have any doubt, you can contact me here in next video. We will talk about definite article the. Okay, thank you students. Dear students, in previous video we discussed about indefinite article a or an. A we can use before consonant sounds and an we can use before vowel sounds. Yes, we can see more examples here. Would you like to have an apple? See, an is an article used before apple. Apple, it is giving, this word is giving vowel sound. So I use an before it. Australia is an island. Okay, Australia is an island. I is also a vowel sound. So we will use an before it. He is a university professor. U is a consonant sound. So we can use a before it. This is a useful book. Yes, U again consonant sound, and we will use a before it. One more thing, my dear students, that in indefinite article we can use only before countable singular noun. Countable, that means that can be counted. Okay, singular, that means only one. Here see, you can see in these examples, Australia is an island. Here I am talking about only one island, and islands are countable also. Okay, only one island, 2 island, 3 island means we can count them. Here university professors, yes, we can count them also, but here I am talking about only one university professor. Okay, so this is singular. In next example also we are talking about only one book. This is singular and countable noun. This book is a countable noun. But the definite article the we can use before countable nouns also, uncountable nouns also, singular, plural nouns also. Okay, you can see some words here. See, a book. Here book is a singular and countable noun, so we can use a before it. But books, before books we cannot use a, because books are plural. Here we are not talking about only one book, more than one books. The book. Okay, the we can use before singular noun also. Books, the books. The books, yani we can use the before plural noun also. See here, a milk. So we cannot use indefinite article before uncountable nouns. Milk is an uncountable noun. It cannot be counted. Okay. Here, the milk. But we can use definite article the before milk, uncountable nouns. Yes. So we can say that we can use definite article before countable also, uncountable also, singular, plural, all these nouns. Okay, see. So here we will discuss about uses of the definite article the. Students, here we will discuss some rules where we can use definite article the. Here our first point is when a particular person or things is being talked about. जहाँ पर हम किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और थिंग के बारे में बात करें, प्रीवियसली नोन टू अस, ऐसे नाउन जो कि जिसके बारे में हम पहले से जानते हैं या जो डेफिनेट होते हैं, जैसे कि आई हैव ऑलरेडी रेड द बुक यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. हेयर आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द बुक इन जनरल, मतलब मैं हर किसी बुक के बारे में बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. हेयर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द बुक, पर्टिकुलर बुक के बारे में. यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, जिसके बारे में तुम बात कर रहे हो, मैं उसी बुक के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. सी इन द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, the milk in that cup is good. Okay, if I say milk is good for health, here I am talking about milk in general, कि सभी टाइप का जो मिल्क होता है वो हमारे लिए अच्छा है. ठीक है. बट इन दिस एग्जाम्पल I use the before milk. That means I am talking about a particular milk that is in the cup is good. जो मिल्क कप के अंदर है, मैं उसके बारे, वो अच्छा है, इसके मैं उसी मिल्क के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. ओके, सी द सेकेंड पॉइंट, बिफोर अ सिंगुलर नाउन व्हेन इट रेफर्स टू अ पर्टिकुलर क्लास और ग्रुप. सो स्टूडेंट्स, सी दीज 3 examples.
The dog is a faithful animal. This dog is representing all the dogs. Here I am not talking about one dog. This dog is representing all the dogs, that all the dogs are faithful. The rose is the most beautiful flower. Here the rose is representing all the roses. All the roses are beautiful. The teacher is a nation. The teacher is a nation builder. So this teacher is representing all the teachers, that all the teachers are nation builders. Okay, see. So we can use definite article the before the names of the rivers. The Nile, the Ganga, the Kaveri, the Saraswati, the Brahmaputra. So before the names of the rivers, before the names of the mountain ranges, you can use definite article the Himalayas, the Alps, the Nilgiris. Okay. Before the names of the seas and oceans, the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean. Before the names of the religious books, the Bible, the Gita, the Bhagavad, the Quran. Before the names of the newspapers, the Times of India, the Hindu, the Hindustan Times. Well-known buildings like the Red Fort, the Taj, the Qutub Minar. Before the names of the trains and ships, the Rajdhani Express, the Shatabdi Express. Direction. Before the names of the direction like the east, the west, the north, south, southeast. Before the names of the direction, we can use definite article the. Before superlative degrees, so you all know about superlative degree, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. So before the superlative degree, we use the. May is the hottest month of the year. So hottest is the superlative degree. And see again, Rahul is the tallest boy of all the class. Here tallest is also superlative degree. So we will use the before them. So before point number 5, before ordinal numbers, the first, the last, the 10th, the second. So before ordinal numbers, we can use definite article the. So that's all about definite article the. So my dear students, if you have any doubt, you can ask me individually. Thank you.